Welcome to Nikit Engineers Welding Automation and Robotics Solutions YouTube channel. Explore our diverse welding solutions.
Flexi Hose Welder, top choice for connector tube welding. Offers a wide welding range, 10 mm to 300 mm, with no length of the hose restrictions. Cylinder Welder, precision solutions for hydraulic cylinders. Our welders handle flange, circular, and rectangular pot welding using GMAW or GTAW processes. Micro Linear Welder, efficient and affordable, saves up to 100 sequences less than 0.2 kW power consumption. Circular welds with overlaps, angular tacks, angular stitches. Profile Welder, versatile solutions designed for frames, panel boxes, weighing scales, stands, and similar welding needs. Uses GMAW and GTAW methods. Circular Welder, affordable solution for diameters 10 mm to 200 mm. Supports GMAW and AMP, GTAW with manual height adjustment, up to 50 mm, dual-axis rotary markers, and basic data logger. Racking Beam Welder, versatile solution for pallet racks, handles beam lengths from 500 mm to 5000 mm and profiles of 40 mm to 200 mm. Fast movement at up to 150 mm per second in a closed loop system. Orbital Welder, ideal for connector tube welding, designed for hydraulic connector tube welding using GMAW and GTAW. Torch rotates for a perfect weld bead. Our machines revolutionize welding with cutting-edge tech for impeccable results. At Nikit Engineers, customer satisfaction is our priority. We deliver quality welding solutions. Join our journey for the latest in welding tech. Until next time, like, comment and subscribe.